What if I told you your car could be wasting fuel every single second, even when you're driving perfectly? Same routes, same habits, but suddenly your fuel gauge drops faster. Most people blame traffic, fuel quality, or even the car itself, but here's the truth. In many cases, it's not your driving, it's bad data. Tiny sensors feeding wrong information to your engine, forcing it to burn more fuel than necessary. Today, we're breaking down the exact sensors responsible and how a simple clean can bring your fuel economy back. Stay until the end because the last one is the most expensive mistake drivers ignore. Sensor 5, Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor. Your engine relies on temperature to decide how much fuel to use. Cold engines need more fuel, warm engines need less. Simple. But when this sensor starts failing or gets dirty, your car never fully switches to efficient mode. It keeps acting like it's cold, even when it's fully warmed up. That means constant overfueling. You'll notice rough idle, fuel smell, maybe even black smoke, and a drop in mileage that feels gradual but adds up fast. Here's the fix. Disconnect the battery, locate the sensor near the thermostat housing, remove it when the engine is cool, spray it with contact cleaner, let it dry, and reinstall. It's a quick job, but the impact is huge. Ignore it, and you're basically paying extra for every kilometer you drive. Sensor 4, Throttle Position Sensor, TPS. Good TPS equals smooth acceleration. Bad TPS equals jerks, hesitation, extra fuel burn. Same pedal, worse response. Clean it by removing the intake, spraying throttle cleaner around the throttle body and TPS, wiping carbon, and reassembling. Small fix, big difference. Sensor 3, Oxygen O2 Sensor. Every time your engine burns fuel, this sensor checks how efficient that burn was. It measures oxygen in the exhaust and tells the ECU whether to add or reduce fuel. When it's working correctly, your engine runs clean and efficient. But once it gets coated with carbon or starts wearing out, those readings become unreliable. The ECU starts guessing, and guessing leads to wasted fuel. You'll notice black smoke, a strong fuel smell, reduced power, and a serious drop in mileage, sometimes up to 30 or even 40%. That's not small, that's a major loss over time. To clean it, remove the sensor from the exhaust, use an O2 safe cleaner, gently remove buildup, let it dry completely, and reinstall. If performance doesn't improve, replacement is worth it, because this sensor plays a direct role in fuel control. Before we go further, ask yourself this: when was the last time you checked any of these sensors? Most drivers never do, and that's exactly why fuel efficiency drops without warning. Now let's talk about one of the most common fuel-wasting culprits. Sensor 2, Mass Airflow, MAF sensor. This sensor measures how much air is entering your engine. Based on that, the ECU calculates exactly how much fuel to inject. When it's clean, everything is precise. Smooth acceleration, strong response, good mileage. But even a small amount of dust or oil can throw it off. And when the readings go bad, the ECU has no choice but to guess. And guesswork always leads to excess fuel use. You'll feel the car becoming sluggish, less responsive, and heavier during acceleration. Fuel economy drops, sometimes by 15 to 20%. Cleaning it is simple, but must be done carefully. Remove the intake tube, unplug the sensor, take it out, spray MAF cleaner only, never touch the sensor, and let it dry before reinstalling. It's a quick way to instantly improve how your car feels and performs. Sensor 1, Fuel Rail Pressure Sensor. This sensor controls how much fuel pressure is delivered to your injectors. When it's working properly, your engine gets the exact amount of fuel it needs. No more, no less. But when it starts sending incorrect data, everything goes out of balance. Too little pressure causes hesitation and weak performance. Too much pressure floods the engine, wasting fuel and damaging components over time. And that's where things get expensive, because this doesn't just affect fuel economy, it can damage injectors in fuel pumps, leading to repairs that cost thousands. Cleaning it is simple. Disconnect the battery, locate the sensor on the fuel rail, remove it carefully, spray contact cleaner on the sensor and connector, let it dry, and reinstall. A small effort now can prevent major expenses later. Same car, same driver, but clean sensors equal efficient fuel. Dirty sensors equal money gone. So tell me, which one are you checking first?